In this video, I will talk about the truth about high blood pressure symptoms and give you 5 tips to keep it under control. High blood pressure or hypertension occurs when your blood pressure increases to unhealthy levels. Your blood pressure measurement considers how much blood is passing through your blood vessels and the amount of resistance the blood meets while the heart is pumping. Hypertension typically develops over the course of several years. Usually, you do not notice any symptoms. But even without symptoms, high blood pressure can cause damage to your blood vessels and organs, especially the brain, heart, eyes, and the kidneys. If you are looking for a list of symptoms and signs of high blood pressure, you will not find them here. This is because most of the time there are none. It is a myth to think that people with high blood pressure will experience symptoms like nervousness, sweating, difficulty sleeping, or facial flushing. The truth is, high blood pressure is a largely symptomless silent killer. If you ignore your blood pressure because you think a certain symptom or sign will alert you to the problem, you are taking a dangerous chance with your life. Early detection is important. If your blood pressure is elevated, your doctor may have you check your blood pressure over a few weeks to see if the number stays elevated or falls back to normal levels. In most cases, high blood pressure does not cause headaches or nosebleeds. If you are experiencing severe headaches or nosebleeds and are otherwise unwell, contact your doctor as there could be symptoms of other health conditions. A variety of symptoms may be indirectly related to but are not always caused by high blood pressure, such as blood spots in the eye, facial flushing, and dizziness. However, dizziness should not be ignored, especially if the onset is sudden. Sudden dizziness, loss of balance or coordination, and trouble walking are all warning signs of a stroke. High blood pressure is a leading risk factor for stroke. These tips will help you lower your blood pressure on top of the medication you are taking. 1. Lose extra pounds and watch your waistline. Blood pressure often increases as weight increases. Being overweight also can cause disrupted breathing while you sleep, which further raises your blood pressure. Weight loss is one of the most effective lifestyle changes in controlling blood pressure. Losing even a small amount of weight, if you are overweight or obese, can help reduce your blood pressure. Besides shedding pounds, you generally should also keep an eye on your waistline. Carrying too much weight around your waist can put you at greater risk for high blood pressure. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity, such as 150 minutes a week or about 30 minutes most days of the week, can lower your blood pressure by about 5 to 8 points if you have high blood pressure. It is important to be consistent because if you stop exercising, your blood pressure can rise again. If you have elevated blood pressure, exercise can help you avoid developing hypertension. If you already have hypertension, regular physical activity can bring your blood pressure down to a safer levels. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet that is rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products, and skims unsaturated fat and cholesterol can lower your blood pressure by up to 11 points if you have high blood pressure. Writing down the foods you eat, including the portion sizes, can let you see the truth about your food intake. You can then start cutting back, reducing calories and portions to lose weight and manage your blood pressure. 4. Reduce sodium intake. Even a small reduction in the sodium in your diet can improve your heart health and reduce blood pressure by about 5 to 6 points if you have high blood pressure. The effect of sodium intake on blood pressure varies among groups of people. In general, limit sodium intake to 2300 milligrams a day or less. However, a lower sodium intake, 1500 milligrams a day or less, is ideal for most adults. 5. Limit the amount of alcohol you drink. Alcohol can be both good and bad for your health. By drinking alcohol in moderation, generally 1 drink a day for women or 2 a day for men, you can potentially lower your blood pressure by about 4 points. 1 drink equals to 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of 80 proof liquor. But that protective effect is lost if you drink too much alcohol. Drinking more than moderate amounts of alcohol can raise blood pressure by several points. It can also reduce the effectiveness of blood pressure medications. Self-monitor your blood pressure regularly. Learn in just few minutes how to correctly monitor your blood pressure at home. This can help keep you in a healthy range. And always follow the advice of healthcare professionals. So, please do not feel hopeless. Simple, effective, proven, and safe solutions do exist. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you a safe, healthy, and wealthy life. Thank you.